All right. Hey, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And today I want to look at MicroStrategy. And that means that all you scummy people that post like a series of supposedly random replies on YouTube saying like, hey, golly gee, I heard so-and-so, Mary blah, 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 helped me make $40,000 in 5 minutes on Bitcoin. Do you know how I can get a hold of her? Sure, absolutely, no problem. Hey, me too. That whole thing, I have to take those off all the time. And it always happens on stuff related to Bitcoin. So have at her, guys. I want to just start here with the weekly chart on MicroStrategy. Now, supposedly they have a software application, but what it really is a proxy for Bitcoin. They buy Bitcoin on leverage, and that's a good thing when Bitcoin is going up. So now it's kind of in this consolidation phase, at least that I see. But if you look here, and again, this is a weekly chart. If you look here, this is one big long bowl, and it's a gut-wrenching bowl that'll take your life, because at the very top here, it was up at $1,100. At the bottom, it's down here below 150. And so this is a heck of a wild ride, whichever way you go. Question is, do you want to make money or lose money? So after this kind of big move a few months ago, it makes sense for this to pull back. And so what I'm looking for is some kind of move to the upside before I get really bullish on this. I have, just full disclosure, so you don't think I'm talking my book, but we have in my family, we got a fairly decent investment in Bitcoin already, but I'm not trading it. The only thing is, if it ever crashes, then that would be a good thing, because I'll just buy more. I think ultimately, if Jamie Dimon thinks it's crap, I'm all in, because that guy's been wrong a lot. So anyway, if we're looking at the daily chart here, here's your next entry, in my view, is above like 1385. If this runs up above 1385, then my suspicion is we're kind of off to the races. And if you look at IBIT, or as I call it, IBIT, it's still kind of struggling with the 50-day moving average. So I think we're still early on MicroStrategy and Bitcoin. Now, I think we got more consolidation to do. Okay, by the way, if you're a Crypto Market Mentor member, I am going to be doing a video for you guys on Monday, because Scott's out for a couple days on a well-needed little long weekend. So make sure you watch for that. I do it a little bit different than Scott does. I'm literally, truly just going over the technicals on some of these things. So check that out. If you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, you can fix that for $7. Okay, I'll let you figure out how to do that.